Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a rectangle to your leaflet map with R programming language. So for that purpose we are going to add the function add rectangles. Use your pipe operator at the end, and in here I'm going to make some space for our arguments. So for bordering color of our rectangle I'm going to use, let's say, red. For fill color I'm going to use, let's say, yellow. And now coordinates. And with latitude 1 we are going to set first latitude, and that is going to be 40 degrees. With L and G I'm going to set longitude, first longitude, that is going to be on 20 degrees, and this have to be 1, L and G 1, and then latitude 2 is going to be on 47 degrees, and LNG 2 is going to be on 25 degrees. With latitude 1 and longitude 1 we are going to set first corner of our rectangle. With latitude 2 and longitude 2 we are going to set second corner of our rectangle. And now I'm just going to save this and to run this code, and of course I have typo. Yeah, it's color, not colot. Run it again, everything is fine now. Refresh this and voila, we have our rectangle. And if you, for example, want to remove this fill color, with fill color you are going to set transparent. Run this code, refresh it, and yes, we don't have fill color right now. And I'm going to get back to yellow like this. And for color now I'm going to add transparent. So when we talk about color we talk about bordering color, and when we talk about fill color we are talking about this color inside. So now we are going to have fill color but no borders. If I save this and if I run this, refresh it, and voila, we have fill color but without any bordering color. And if you want to deal with opacity of this color, we are going to use another argument. Just put comma in here. So fill opacity and set it to 0,75 like this. Save it, run it. Let's see what we have. Okay, this is a little bit too much. Let's say 0,6. Run it again. Okay, much better. And now I'm going to get back to red color for borders, and if you want to deal with transparency of that color you are going to use just opacity argument like this. Opacity, and let's say opacity is going to be 0,5. Run this code again. Alright. And if you want to create multiple rectangles with this very same function, you are going to use collections. And whether you're going to provide collections as individual collections or as part of a data frame, it completely doesn't matter. For this case, I'm going to create a data frame, data frame, make some spacing here. And for latitude 1, I'm going to create collection. Let's say first is going to be on 40. And second latitude is going to be on 47, comma. Longitude 1 is going to be on 20 and 31. This is fine. And now latitude 2 is going to be on 45. Second is going to be on 21, and longitude 2 is going to be on 22, and let's say 29 like this. And let's create colors. So first bordering color is going to be red. second is going to be green, and now fill colors. First is going to be yellow, and second is going to be, let's add some custom color, something like this. All right, and now let's use these values. So for latitude 1, I'm going to use data latitude 1. For longitude 1, I'm going to use data LNG 1, and now data latitude 2, data LNG 2. For color, we are going to use data colors, and for fill color, we are going to use data fill colors. Save it, run it. Okay, typo, but where? It's LNG, not LNT. Save it, run it again, and once again, and again. LNG. It's fine now. Finally. Let's refresh this. Okay. We have two rectangles. Not pretty rectangles indeed, but everything works as supposed to be. So guys, thank you for watching. I truly hope that you like this content, so please like, subscribe, and see ya!